Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download ChatGPT for free on your mobile phone, whether Android or iPhone. So first you need to do is open your browser, your Safari browser or Google Chrome on any phone you use. Now search for ChatGPT. Now once you've seen the website pop up, now you want to click the one which is owned by OpenAI. And now for your information, Play Store does have the app. Now once we head over to Play Store, you see that if we search for ChatGPT over here, you can see that ChatGPT already now has an app on Android and iPhone. But the common problem here is it carries some glitches and bugs, and it's gonna be hard to use compared to the one on your browser. So to get the one on your browser downloaded to your phone, you need to head over to that Google Chrome again and click on the first website that pops up, which is by OpenAI. Now once you've clicked on the website by OpenAI, you want to sign up and log in if you've not logged in before. And now once you've reached here that you can message ChatGPT, you want to click on this three dots at the top right corner. And once you click the three dots, you want to scroll down and click add to home screen, which is over here. Now once you click add to home screen, you can name it anything you want to name it. Maybe you want to hide it from your family member so he doesn't know you have the app on your phone, and then click add over here. And once you click add, you then want to click add again at the bottom. And once you click add again, you're going to head over to your phone, whether you're using mobile or Android, and now you can see that you've gotten your ChatGPT. I actually downloaded it before on my phone. Now you can see it over here. Click it and you see it just pops up. So that's it. You don't waste data, you don't waste anything for it. So please subscribe if this helps you.